Okay, so so anyway, so we shorted, you know, the our first ride was from we shorted here 69. It's all recorded in the other two videos, right? I'm just cutting it so that it's not too long. The first one gave us 13 points, right? All the way from 69 to 56, 57, right? And then we remain short for target two, and then before it invalidates our bearish setup, it goes right. It chopped with us a little bit here, and then it finds resistance here at 64, right? Which is where we added, right? This is where we it's all in, this is not this is not after the fact. This is all real time. So we added right here, and then but from 69 all the way to here to 49, we're talking 20 points for the second leg, right? That's 20 points for the second leg. One and two. Not to mention that we added to a winner right here, 64, and that 64 just went to 49. That's an additional 64, right? Minus 49, that's an additional 15 points right here. But that's not what I'm counting. I'm counting it from here, from our original entry shore, the high. Okay, that's 20 points. So first leg, 13 points. Second one, 20 points. I gotta tell you, the other day I was watching some of those teenagers trade BES, and they go 1 point. I kid you not. They go after 1 point. I mean, hey, listen, whatever. My motto is whatever works. If you can be a consistently profitable trader taking 1 point, hey, listen, I take my hat off of you, right? If you can do it consistently every day, then that's terrific. But 1 point, I'm telling you, the YouTube has the videos. I kid you not. 1 point, and they have it like a 2 point. So in other words, they have 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. This is just unbelievable how these teenagers have the balls to bullshit the world. But what can I say? 1 point. So they take a 2 point stop, and they take a they take a 1 point reward. I kid you not. I can send you the video if you want to see it. I'm telling you. Hey, listen. There are hundreds of thousands of teenagers claiming to be big shot. You know it. I know. We all know it. Okay. So I'm not telling you anything that you don't already know. All right. So if you this I just started recording this third video for the morning. If you want to know if it's true that we shorted here and we made 13 points and 20 points here, just go to the other two videos that I'm gonna post in my channel for today, for 17, so that you can see this first target hit and the second one. All right, this is the third videos. All live, real time. This is the hardest way to make easy money. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I think I have target three. Okay, so tentative is a tentative 42. Okay, all right, that's target three. So if I live, where to let your position ride. Okay. Okay, so 42, right? 42. Okay, that's our target three. Okay, it could take the entire day. It could drop in 1 second. God knows. God only knows, right? Time right now is 12:04. But as long as, listen, there is enough gunpowder from the bearish side to to take the price all the way to 42. Okay, there's gonna be some shenanigans here, of course. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Okay, and of course we know that from 11:30 from here, we know that from here all the way to 3:30, the junior traders are gonna they don't have any authority to do any big moves. All right, but those of you who are gonna stay trading, your job is to let it ride all the way to 42 so that you can take the most advantage of today's action, Monday. Alrighty? Okay, so as long as the market doesn't invalidate our bearish sentiment, you stay sure you know our levels of resistance. Okay, our aim number one is to be green every single day. We are already on phase 7. Keep what you have and let it ride. My analysis says that price will continue going all the way to 42. Is it possible that as soon as I close the mic, something new happens? Trump says something, or the smart money is looking to destroy the amateurs, the traders, the new traders, the newies, those who have been trading only for 5, 10 years only. Of course it is, right? But that's what trade management is for. We believe it'll go to 42, target 3, of course. The odds that we're gonna get target 1 are pretty good, right? We almost always get target 1 90% of the time, more than 90% of the time, right? Target 2, they're still good. Target 3, of course, is that's a challenge. Well, that's your challenge. You already locked in 13 points here. You already locked in 7 more points here to 20, right? You added to a winner right here, so you have an extra 15 points right here. I mean, just keep as much as you got. And if you want to continue trading, the play is a continuation down all the way to 42. That's all there is to it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had some fun today. I hope you learned some today also. And remember, if it's not live, it's not real. As simple as that. If you're gonna follow somebody, if you need a coach, if you need somebody to teach you price action, and you decide to follow somebody, please, I beg you, you have to be smart. Don't let these, all those criminals on YouTube, all these teenagers that have been trading for 5 years only, making you believe they're a big shot. Hey, listen, these people have 1 million, 2 million followers on YouTube. Yeah, these guys, they make a lot more money than all of us put together. These people have 2 million followers on YouTube. They've been bullshitting the trading world, so good for so long. They don't need to trade. All right? Just don't be a victim. All right? If it's not live, it's not real. That's all there is to it. See you all tomorrow.